Hey everyone, Alex Castadel. This video, I want to share with you ways that I enforce a positive attitude and a positive mindset each and every day. Now, as you build your brokerage, you're going to have some great days and not so great days. So how do we keep our positive mindset and attitude up here when it tries to bring us down here? Because understand, your customers, your prospects, everybody can hear it in your voice if where your attitude is and how positive your mindset is just by the tone of your voice, believe it or not. And so as freight brokers, we must maintain a very positive attitude as well as a positive mindset. So again, in this video, I'm going to share ways how I keep that mindset and attitude super positive. So when I wake up and I first go brush my teeth and I look in the mirror, I call myself a badass. Believe it or not, it's true and it helps because you'll believe it. You tell yourself enough times anything, you'll believe it, whether it's negative or positive. So that's how I start my day, understanding that I am a badass. Not only that, but my services are incredible and my customers deserve nothing but the best service. All right. Another way is I go out for a jog. I also exercise. Okay. And so, yeah, that may be the first thing that comes to a lot of people's mind is exercise. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right. So I'll move on from that. But that is definitely a huge impact and a huge way to keep that positive mindset and attitude. Treat your body with exercise, even eat well. Okay. That's another one because we are what we eat. And movement, right, is going to keep you positive and positive attitude and mindset. So another way I do this, keep positive mindset and attitude, is to think about what I'm thankful for, right? Gratitude. Sure, you may be feeling down about something, but I guarantee you there's plenty of people way worse off than your situation. I always remember when I broke this wrist, didn't much know I broke it until I broke this wrist. All right. Before I broke both of them, the one that was broke, I was kind of irritated, right, in a bad mood about it. But as soon as this one went, then I was like, well, damn, I'm glad my legs still work. So it like forced gratitude within me at that point because I could still at least walk around. So, so I think about these things. My parents, I'm lucky to have my mom and dad here. All right. My friends and family are, for the most part, they're all healthy. Okay. That is a very great thing and can make me very positive to think about that. Right. Some people don't have their parents or have one. Okay. Maybe someone they know just got in a severe car accident. Right. And some of these people may be in the hospital, believe it or not, they may even have a more positive attitude and mindset than a broker himself or herself. And that's where we have to really check our perspective. So gratitude would be a big one there to help keep you in a positive state and a positive mindset. All right. So these are some of the things how I do that. So I hope sharing with you helps. And that's what it is. So again, I'm Alex Castadel. Please subscribe if you haven't already. You guys take care. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.